Hi guys, so these are the ASPIRE-609 6-inch pleaser shoes. These have a bit of a wider foot at the bottom, which is great if you have wider feet. And they've also got the shiny look to them. Hi, it's Bambi at Shoes of Hollywood, and today I'm reviewing the ASPIRE-609 heels. These are in a black shiny colour. So just take it out of this little duster bag and get rid of the tissue paper. So yeah, here's a look at the heel. They've got like a black shiny look to them. They've got grippy soles on the bottom, and these ones have a ankle strap as well, which is super nice for support. They'll be heaps easy to walk in, and you've also got the chrome clasp as well, and just like a fake leather sole of the shoe, and you've got the gold pleaser logo there. It's super sleek. So I'm going to be trying these on for you guys today. Here's the other one. We've also got a handy little duster bag here. You pop your shoe in there. It's got a little gel shoe so you can hang it up. So I'm going to take them for a bit of a walk. And here's a close-up. And also here's a look at the shoes outside as well. I feel like they're going to look super nice in the daylight with the shiny finish to them. so make sure to let us know what you guys think. Leave a comment, like and subscribe. So yeah, make sure to go and have a look at these if you're interested. They will be linked down below in the description, so you can purchase them through there. If not, we've got a little code on the box to search them up. And yeah, so these are the ASPIRE-609s, and thanks for watching the review, and I'll see you guys later.